right, hey everybody, RV Enthusiast here. Nice seeing you again. Hey, we are Monday morning. It's finally cooled down here in Oregon, well out of the 80s. We're in the upper 60s right now. We're going to stay in the upper 60s, lower 60s all week. But I wanted to kind of give you an idea of where they're at on the pole barn. This is a good idea. I'll show you right here. Look right here where they're at. They're almost done with this wall. They'll be done with that wall for sure today. And I think they'll be done with the back today. This side to me is the pretty side because it's got 5 windows and everything. Once they're across this side, which I'm assuming is about another hour and a half or 2, I will move the time lapse to a different area because I think they'll be done with this side and they won't start the roof maybe till tomorrow. I don't know. That's what it's looking like. It is looking exactly like I want it to. It actually is prettier than I thought it was going to be. I did not think it was going to be this pretty. I thought that the gray and the black would be more muted, and they're not. So I really like that. It's going really good. I think they're having a race with the other side. And this side's the more difficult side, but they got Juan on this side who's the master. He's the man. But I think they're doing well. It's really good. I can't wait to see the roof go on because the roof has it's a different color and I'm excited about it. Looking awesome, man. Looking awesome. All right, hey everybody, RV Enthusiast here. Nice seeing you again. Hey, let me tell you what's going on. Today is our last cloudy day here in Oregon for a little bit. We're gonna go to partly sunny to sunny days, and today is the last cold day. We're around 55 degrees right now, but it's going to pick up into the 70s and close to 80s all week long. And the pole barn will be done tomorrow, I believe, and I'll have to give them a bunch more money. Anyway, today I've got some of the moss off the roof. I had a little bit of moss over here and a little bit of moss over there. Got that off. I killed it a couple of weeks ago and got it off. Sprayed it off today. RV, I'm working on the shower. As you saw one of the videos, I'm working on the shower curtain. That's what it is, total value RV. And because I told you in the last video I did not check, kind of pleaded with them, they actually were very nice about it and sent me some plastic pieces. Unfortunately, those are the plastic pieces I have, so I sent them a picture of the exact single piece of plastic piece I need, and fingers crossed they will get that to me. Now, once they get it to me, I am going to make a photocopy of it and put it in a booklet because I can 3D that. I don't think it's that complicated. I can do a 100% 3D image of it and print it 100% rather than having gap in it. So it'll be a solid piece instead of a hollow piece. And so if it ever happens again, I don't have to worry about the piece. I don't have to worry about the curtain. If the curtain is good, I just replace that piece. So I'll make a couple of them because, you know, at that point they're 10 cents to make. Anyway, let me show you what the barn looks like. And I really would love to show, well, you'll see it tomorrow on the, I think tomorrow or the next day I'm going to post the time lapse. So once this is done, the time lapse will get posted. I still have concrete to do. I got a meeting with a concrete guy today. He's going to come out and give me some bids. I got about 4 concrete guys that are going to give me some bids. But a little more, the one guy seemed a little more than I'm really excited to pay. So, because I'm having more than just the barn. So, but we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, let me show you the barn, where they're at and what it looks like. So the barn is complete. The doors that are going on it are going to look like my garage doors over there. So they should be kind of nice looking. I was hoping I could paint them before they went up, but he said probably not just due to speed, which is okay. He said he can get them up in a day. Well, I can paint them in a day too. And all the garbage, unfortunately, all that garbage is for me to get rid of. No biggie. The metal, there's a metal place around here that takes metal. That'll be free. I could actually probably just set it out at the end of the road and say free, and some junk guy will come by and pick it up. But I know where it's at. It's not out of the way anytime ever, so I'll just take it there. The plastic I can recycle mostly, and the wood, probably going to have to burn it here, which I've never burned, but my neighbor burns all the time, so I'll burn. Anyway. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. I just wanted to give you a heads up and a catch up of where we're at, how the pole barn's looking. I need a lot more gravel and hopefully concrete here in the next month. But that'll be, once I get this done tomorrow and I show you the time lapse, that'll be it on the videos of the pole barn until we really get, you know, a little bit more along in terms of like concrete. Once we get concrete, I'll show you, hey, we got concrete. But, you know, that's the pole barn build, and that's what I kind of wanted to document. Stay tuned. Watch what happens. Watch what's coming up. Thanks for joining me. Remember, full-time, part-time, anytime. It's a great time to RV.
To like, share, and subscribe, click the logo to the left.